Good morning, people. Hello. So, it's a early Thursday morning, and I'm here live to share few things, few tips with all of you on how to be happy. Yes. So, this is part of 10 things or 10 points that I wanted to share on everyday basis as to what can make us happy, because many people tell that all around there is sadness, there is lot of disaster, and also we are in midst of the COVID crisis, you all know. And what is it there to be happy about? I mean, what is there that we need to really feel good about at these times? But definitely there are many things that we can be happy about. There are definitely many things that we can feel good about. Okay, so let me start by saying the first thing that I want to share with all of you in this video. So, do I see any people over there? Yeah, I can see a few people coming in. Okay, let me pull them up. Okay, I can see a few people joining out there. So, hey, hey, yes, so I can see some people joining in there. And yes, so I was just beginning off. So, today or from this video for the next 10 days, I want to share what is that you can be happy about, or what are the 10 ways to be happy in a simple and easy way. Hi, I can see a couple of my friends there. Hello. So, yeah, so in this video today I'll talk about the first thing, the number one thing that can make us happy at any situation, at any circumstance, be it any thought process going in our mind, and that is gratitude. Gratitude is a very powerful tool or a very powerful thing that really can impact our minds. It can change our thought process, because what often happens is we tend to see things around, all around, and then we say and start comparing. Oh, this is not what I want. This is what I don't have. Why my job is like this? Why my life is like this? Why things are happening with me like this? And that's a general human tendency. But the biggest thing you need to be thinking every time is about gratitude. I'm sure many of us can relate to it, because many of us do practice it. But many times we forget it, and then we tend to go in a sad mood or in a very depressed mood and then think why this is happening. So always remember gratitude. And what is that gratitude all about? For people who don't know, a little bit more detail if I have to explain. Gratitude is being grateful. In other words, gratitude is happiness, and gratitude is being grateful for all that we have. Okay, so when we think of what we don't have, immediately this feeling of gratitude should somehow come to our mind. So I'll tell you how we have to do that. But the feeling of gratitude is for things that we have, like today we have a house. Today, the biggest gratitude is we woke up today, right? We are alive and we are talking to each other and we are seeing each other, and that is the biggest thing which we need to be gratitude of. We need to be gratitude of the people around us, be it our parents who brought us to this world, be it our spouse, be it our kids, be it the neighbors, be it the relatives. So many people who have helped us in some or other way all throughout. We should be really gratitude. We should be indebted to them. Then things like what we have a house, we have a place to live, we have a bed, think about all that we have at home. Every possession or everything that we have got, it might be small things like a fridge, maybe a TV, maybe the sofa set, whatever we have. These are things that we really need to think that we have. I mean, this is not that everybody has it. So be grateful that we at least have it. There are many people out there who don't even have such things, who do not have the comfort that we have. They are still struggling for a day to day living. Even in the midst of this corona crisis, people are really struggling in many situations. And then this thing of gratitude or just realizing that what we really have makes a big impact. And that itself changes our mood to be happy. Yeah. So if you want to just go in a little bit more, think about the food that we have, the food that we are having every time. Like we just spoke, people don't have 3 meals a day, and many of us have at least 1 meal a day. We should be gratitude for that. We are having such a good food. The health that we have. If we are not fit, fine, and healthy, what could happen? It could be just devastating, right? You're bedridden, but we are not. Think about all those people in the hospitals, all those people at home who are sick and who are literally feeling down about things. So just be gratitude. Be grateful for that great thing, the health that you possess. Think about the money that you have. Maybe in a job that you currently are earning, because a lot of people at this moment as we speak are losing jobs. Think about the money else that you have in the bank account. At least the money or savings that you have, which is helping you to have your minimum needs or minimum things that you want in life. Awesome, right? So this is one more thing. So similarly, about anything, health, wealth, money, in financially, in spiritually, in mentally, what all good things that we have, be grateful about it. And that's what I mean by gratitude. So gratitude is very, very important thing for a person to be always happy. And that's why I choose that as a point number one in to be speaking about. So yes, so please think about it and then start implementing it. So normally when you think, you would agree with me as you listen that yes, this is a good thing. This is definitely something which I'm grateful about. But are you practicing it? That is when the actual thing matters. It is not just about talking, listening, and not doing. So a famous person said, knowing and not doing is not knowing. Do you agree? Knowing and not doing is not knowing. So if you know that you need to be gratitude for all that you have, you need to be grateful for everything that you possess, you need to start doing it or implementing it. Now, how do you implement gratitude? Let me give you some small short tips. Start writing down. Every day, whenever possible, the best time is in the morning. Just think about what all that you can be grateful about. Right from morning. Start with the morning. Once you woke up, be grateful that you are alive today, right? That's the biggest thing for today. Second, start writing about whatever thing that you are grateful about. Your home, your health, your parents, your spouse, the people around you, the people you want to impact, the people you want to contribute in some way. As the day goes by, you can do many things, right? So that's the biggest thing that you need to be grateful about. I can see a lot of my friends there. So somebody is commenting, contentment is the key. Yes, definitely contentment is the key. We need to be grateful about what we have, right? And then be contented. Contentment comes from being happy. And that, be grateful. When you're grateful to whatever we possess, what we have, we don't feel that, oh, no. So the moment we go down, we say, oh, I don't have this, I don't have that. Instead of that, feel grateful about all that you have. And that itself changes the whole outlook of things. So I'm on live and I want to take if there are any comments or any questions so that I can be of help to people. Yes, I see a couple of my friends there online. So I thought I should just share this point today. So this is over 10 days wherein each day I want to share. Hi, I see some of you there. So this is all about sharing these 10 tips or 10 things, simple things that we can practice in our day-to-day lives and then just be happy. So that's, being happy is a mental feeling which we all want to do, all want to possess, but some way or other we tend to get lost or we tend to go away, right? So I see that a couple of my friends as I speak are joining. So yes. So in this video, I just spoke about being gratitude or grateful for that we have. And that is the first thing that we can do to be happy. And that's the thing.